Hi guys, this is Ian and this is my bike check. Yeah, as you can see it's all black pretty much with chrome cranks, and then I'm getting a chrome stem in the mail and it'll be here in 2 days I think. But yeah, so Odyssey power ends with ODI Super Softs. Yeah, they're soft and grippy and all, but they shred pretty fast, so yeah. I'll be getting Merit grips maybe? I don't know. Premium Chad Curly bars, 875 rise, 28.5 wide I think? I'm not really sure. This stem is, I don't know, I just found it. And then I'm getting a Fiend Reynolds front load stem in polished to match my cranks. Yeah. Premium headset with some spacer. Odyssey R25 forks. 25 offset obviously. They're pretty light. I don't know. I don't really care about weight, but they're Odyssey, and Odyssey makes good parts. I have one G Sport Gland hub guard. I don't have one on the other side because it's a stock wheel. Because yeah, getting a new one for Christmas hopefully. Demolition Machete tire. It's really grippy and I like it. I've had it for a couple months and it's still good. Primo Binary PLV2 pegs. They're metal with a plastic sleeve on the outside. They slide pretty good, but I need new sleeves pretty soon. Mine are getting kind of worn out. The frame is a Fiend Moro frame, the version 1. 20.75 top tube, 13.7 rear end or something. I don't know, it's pretty long. Shadow bottom bracket. It spins pretty good. It's a bottom bracket. Premium 1948 cranks. They're 48 spline. I had a friend that snapped one, but mine are doing good. I've had them for almost a year now. Odyssey pedals, twisted PCs. The sprocket is a premium Narstar in black, 25 tooth. I'm probably gonna get a guard sprocket pretty soon because I can grind on both sides and it'd just be a good idea. And Shadow interlock V2 chain in black, obviously. Some seat post, I don't know, I got it from a friend. King Pilot seat. It's really soft. It does leather on the top and then like canvas or something on the sides. I like it a lot. It's really comfy. Shadow Valor tire, 2.2 I think. Oh yeah, and then the Demolition tire in the front's a 2.35. Back wheel is just a horror wheel from my friend because mine was having problems, so I'm just using that one until I get a new one. Yeah. It's really quiet, but I don't really mind. Yeah, for Christmas I'm probably getting a Primo Freemix Lace 2 Sunrim. And yeah. Yeah, so now I'll just show you like all the parts like up close. Odyssey power ends, ODI grips that are kind of shredded, CK bars with the CK logo right there. R25 forks, they say Odyssey right there, and right here on this side. Machete tire, wheel, Fiend frame with, gotta get it so you can see it. Logo right there. And then it has a Fiend cutout back here, which I think is super cool. Right there. Yeah. Twisted PC is premium 1948s. See premium on the arm. Shadow bottom bracket. Primo pegs, but you can't see Primo anymore because they're going down to shit. Sprocket. Yeah. See, pretty nice. Yeah, so that's my bike.